Over this past week, my friend came to visit me. I recently moved to Scotland and she decided to come up and stay with me for a few days. So we thought we'll just have a bit of an adventure to a few of the beaches and stuff in Scotland. This cliff here is actually from before my friend visited, but the one coming up is us at Loch Lomond.
Right now, we are.
Honestly, this is great.
We took a trip to a few places. We've got a few bays, a few beaches. We did some exploring and some real trinket finding while we were there, and it was just so beautiful. The entire trip was stunning, and I'm so happy that I got to share this with her. While we were there, my friend decided to try skipping some stones, and we got a few good ones, but this is the one that I recorded.
This one might be a little heavy, but you can always try it. It's all round, it might not be smooth enough. That one's blue. These on here. That was alright, got like 4. That was okay. There's a hagstone, I think. I've been looking for one, let's see it. Unless someone's like pushed a hole in it. But it looks fairly natural. That's natural. It looks really cool. I've never found a hagstone before. It looks so cool. But this one is low.
It has always been a dream of mine to find a hagstone on my own.
That's cool. I wanted to find one in Scotland, so I'd be like, this one's Scottish. I don't know how we get up here with all of our stuff.
We moved on here to the next beach, and honestly, this beach was my favourite out of all of them. We went to so many beaches, and some of them I didn't even record. But this beach, it was so beautiful. What you can see here is the main beach portion. You'll see soon that if you go to the north end of the beach, you'll see just the most stunning rock formations, and we spent so long just sitting, watching the waves and just hopping between these stones. It was so beautiful. You can definitely see those rock formations in this clip. It's just so, it just fills me with so much awe every time I see it. It's so beautiful. I really, truly could have sat there and just listened to the waves crashing for hours. It was the most stunning place to sit and to think. Oh, sorry, you're taking a video? My bad. This place here was a stunning country park, and my friend and I sat and we drew and we just chatted, and I kind of just explored a little bit within this beautiful little creek that we found, and I really have no words for how much we both loved this place. It was a gorgeous, gorgeous little creek, and we did we did sit there for hours and hours and hours, and it was just so lovely. We loved the beaches too, but I think we really needed that return to the greenery and just the such vibrant nature that Scotland can really provide. We of course couldn't forget to show you this.
They move too much out of everything.
That is all I have for this video, and I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.